great. Today marks day 2 of our tour Hyderabad. Check it out to catch a glimpse of the beautiful views along the Chennai-Hyderabad ring road. A smooth 6-lane Hyderabad. Initially, we thought about pushing we had. For those who might, we will cover Hyderabad in detail in future vlogs, Lim and more. Today's itinerary has us heading towards Nagpur via NH44, linking the country's northernmost. Even recent films like RRR have been. Good morning everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. Today marks day 2 of our trip to Durg. If you followed our last vlog, you did know we traveled from Chennai to Hyderabad. Check it out to catch a glimpse of the beautiful views along the Chennai-Hyderabad route. Now it's 8:30 in the morning and we are on Hyderabad Outer Ring Road, a smooth 6-lane corridor that is make it easy to bypass city traffic. As we mentioned, we took an overnight stay in Hyderabad. Initially, we thought about pushing through without stopping, but rough roads and diversions after crossing the Andhra Pradesh-Telangana border made that plan nearly impossible. Unfortunately, our last-minute accommodation near the famous Ramoji Film City wasn't the best. If you are planning a stay, make sure to book in advance to avoid uncomfortable surprises like we had. For those who might not know, Hyderabad is called the City of Pearls and it's home to iconic historic sites like Charminar and Golconda Fort. Ramoji Film City is also a popular attraction and we stayed close to its main entrance. We will cover Hyderabad in detail in future vlogs, exploring those landmarks and sharing local delicacies like Irani chai, biryani, halim and more. Today's itinerary has us heading towards Nagpur via NH44, India's longest highway, which spans from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, linking the country's northernmost to southernmost points. Along the way, we will pass through cities like Nizamabad and Adilabad. And a fun fact, Adilabad's forests are said to have inspired the famous book The Jungle Book and its character Mowgli and Sher Khan. Even recent films like RRR have been shot in these lush woodlands. Huge gate. What is this place? Oh, it's Kamareddy. What a nice view. What a breathtaking view. Oh, Nagpur, 360 kilometers away. Nizamabad, 29 kilometers. The next would be Adilabad. Adilabad jungles, famous for movies like RRR and inspiration for Jungle Book story. This is our pit stop for lunch. From here, traveling 1 to 2 hours would cross Telangana and Maharashtra border. Now Nagpur is 123 kilometers away. We reached Nagpur around 6 in the evening and stopped for a coffee and snacks break. The road before Nagpur was rough with many potholes and diversions. Google Maps suggested a right turn after Hinghat, but that route narrowed considerably, so we continued straight until Jamatam and then diverted towards Mumbai-Kolkata Highway NH6. The highway up to the Chhattisgarh border was in poor condition due to ongoing construction, which slowed us down further as the four-lane road narrowed to a single lane. This delay meant that by the time we took for dinner around 11 pm, most of the restaurants were closed or inaccessible because of the road conditions. We reached the Maharashtra Chhattisgarh border around 12:30 am, and from there it was another 4 hours to reach home. We stopped recording and finally arrived around 3 am. We were so excited to have made it all the way home in a single stretch.